What's good, y'all? I'm about to give y'all a quick look at these Yeezy 350 Yecheils. They came out a while ago, but I'm just now unboxing them, and I just want to give y'all a quick look at them. If you're thinking about buying them, getting them from GOAT, StockX, they're not going for that much. I want to say around the $240 price range. That's what I want to say. Basic Yeezy 350 box. Pull it out. I hope it don't make that noise. I hate when it make that noise, man. Let's go ahead and take both of them out. Up, there go the noise. Legit in my opinion. I like it. Let me give y'all a quick look around. And these are the reflective shoelaces. Not the whole shoe. The whole shoe isn't reflective, but the shoelaces are. So if someone taking that pic at the party, it'll show up. But anyway, you got the colors right here. You got this nice little yellow. What I like about this shoe is made up of a lot of different colors. Something different than what we've been getting on the previous versions of the V2. You got this, I wouldn't say brown, tan color mixed in with that red and light blue. You can wear it with a lot of things. Very versatile. Got the Adidas Yeezy right here. A lot of people take these out because these fit on the tighter side if you go true to size. I do that with my Yeezys. I just go ahead and take this out. Plus it helps with the resale. The logo won't get scraped off in the long run. You just throw it back in there. There you can see the boost on the bottom. One thing I like about the V2s are that they're super comfortable. They got the tags. They're super comfortable every time you put them on. And like I said, since I take the actual insole out, I like it even more because you can actually feel the boost way better in there. As you can see, for sure it's different. No back tab. I'm not sure what to think about that though. I guess it depends on the colorway to me. I'll just put this in later. I guess it depends on the colorway to me. I can do with or without it, I guess. But it's still a clean looking shoe to me. Got that clear stripe right there. I don't think you're going to get much off of resale if you're going the resale route. Like I said, I think they're just maybe two to up to 280, maybe. Definitely not the everyday shoe. Thanks for watching the video, and until next time, peace.